Hey, buddy.
It's me. Were you dreaming?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. Let's do something. Let's go for a walk. Hop in.
We have to drive there.
It'll be worth it. It's the best park in the area. Isn't it nice here? Hey, what's the matter?
I don't know where we are.
Don't worry. I'll guide you. Let's do something else. Here, buddy, wanna catch a stick? Go on. What is it?
Where did it go?
I know what will cheer you up. Let's go and say hi to them.
I don't like it. I'm scared.
Come on. Let's go home. I'm sorry I took you there. I thought you'd like it.
It's not your fault. I get scared easily.
I just wanted to do what we used to do.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel tired. I know where we are now. This is home. I know you will always take care of me. I know one thing. I know I will always remember you.